how to download ShotCut video editor in Windows. So in order to download ShotCut, go to your browser and search for ShotCut download. And after that, click on the first link, shotcut.org. On the download page, you will see two links, site 1 for FastHub and site 2 for GitHub. Choose according to your preference and click on Windows Installer if you want to download .exe file, or you can download zip file from any of the links. For now, I'm going to go with the FastHub and click on Windows Installer. And after the .exe file is downloaded, open up the file and click on agree the terms and conditions. And after a while, the ShotCut will be installed on your desktop or your laptop. And here you can see the ShotCut is already downloaded and installed. So this is how you download ShotCut in Windows or laptop.